When charge is produced, how do we know that it is positive or negative, and how do you know that a body is having a charge? So here there is an electroscope described. In this activity, how do you make a simple electroscope is shown. You can see that there is a glass container. Inside the glass container there is a wire, and in that wire there are strips shown. So there is a paper clip shown. You can take any glass container. Inside that you will put a wire, which is a paper clip, which is hung over a cardboard, and inside the wire at the bottom there is a aluminum strip. That means in that container there is an aluminum strip which is shown here. This aluminum strip is kept in the shape of A, where the two ends are separate from each other. Then there is a cardboard which is kept at the top, and in the center of the cardboard the wire goes up, and at the top there is wire end which is kept free. So when you want to test any object, we will test the object by touching it on this wire and the top of the wire. When you will touch it, the current will pass through the wire and it will enter inside the aluminum strip. So it is written here, observe what happens when you touch the wire. Do the aluminum strips, when you touch an object at the top, do the aluminum strips repel each other or they attract each other? Touch now other charged bodies with the end of the paper clip. Do full strips through the aluminum foil strips behave in the same manner? Can the apparatus be used to detect whether a body is charged or not? So here the container is just used to test the charge, and to test it can also be used to test which type of charge. So an electroscope is a device which is used to detect the charge in a body.